That's a nice fish. Oh my god, dude. Oh, he's huge. Oh, dude, he's huge. Alright guys, so we just made it out here. I gotta use the bathroom, so I'm gonna walk to the bathroom. But I'll talk to you guys real quick. I landed here in Cali last night, and this is just beautiful. Like, look at this. I'm just in awe. I don't even care if I catch anything. It's just, like, they have this, like, the water level is supposed to be up to that, like, dry peak right there. So, this lake is really deep. You got some big fish in there. This is where it's at, guys. This is a dream come true, you know, because understand that I'm from Wisconsin. I'm just a dude who likes to fish. Then I got this opportunity to come out here and test out baits with fang in them. I don't know. I can't talk because I'm just so excited. I'm just, the water clarity, everything. Just everything in general. Well, that was great. Bathroom's out of order. I'm gonna go check out this one, and I think that one's probably out of order too. Look, there's like fish. Oh, there's a fish right there. Bro, there's a fish right there. Look at that. What is that? Oh, it's a carp. What up, bro? He's just hanging out right there. Is the bathroom out of order too? Oh man, it's all out of order. Alright, well, let's just go back then. Yo, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with me, DYANG. As you guys see here, we are out here in California. I've never been here before. I am here with Fang. So yeah, we're out here. We're actually waiting for a couple of buddies of ours to get past that like boat thing.
Checkpoint.
Pretty crazy. What are we going for?
So we're gonna go for white bass, crappies, and bass, largemouth bass, and then maybe some catfish later on.
We're gonna get out there, rig up, and I'll see you guys out on the Holy smoke, that's far. First backlash of the year. Welcome to Cali. Yes. Dang. There's a little slot right there that looks really good. Nice, knock knock. Some of our biggest bass come from like the little tight shell areas over there. They're just right underneath the little paddle, that little step right there. There he goes, right there. I hope there's something. It's not that deep, that's for sure. Yeah.
My light lure.
Got him. Ooh. That's a nice fish, dude. I told you he was back there.
Come on.
Woo. Was I recording? Yep, I was recording. I got him. Nice spot too, bro. That's crazy. I knew he was back there, man.
Hey man, that's too many penalty, dude.
Oh, alright, you touched the boat. Dude, first.
Is that the spot?
First spot ever, bro.
Oh, yeah.
No way. Dude, that's so cool. They feel so weird.
Really?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh gosh, I'm shaking. Is it on? Oh, hold on, let me chill real quick. Finally made it out to Cali. First spot ever. I can't even do it right. Alright, there he goes. Look at that. Beautiful fish. We're gonna get some pictures. We're gonna let it go. It's feeding too, so that's a good sign. Wow. Just wow, guys. They said small, so we're gonna aim for the big ones. There he goes. It's exciting, dude. Thanks, man.
They're okay.
No, y'all say they're not that big, but they are big, bro. Whoa, dude, you're huge.
They're small. You see? Those are small, man. Wait till later tonight, man.
Bro, y'all ungrateful, bro. This is big as heck, dude.
Those are small for us.
Dude, we're from Wisconsin. This is like...
Yeah, that's small.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, that's tiny, dude.
Oh, man, that's...
Those are the tiny ones there, man.
Guys, they're saying these are tiny. In their book, this is tiny. If we're lucky, they get this big. Oh, dude, that's crazy, man. Huh?
They overlap?
Yep, right over each other. So I got one. Yep.
There you go. You didn't get some.
Bro, it's a big crappie, dude. Ah! Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Dude, it's a giant.
Yeah.
Y'all like, that's not a giant. Check that out. What? Hold on, let me take this moment. Let me just accept this moment real quick. That is a freaking nice crappie. Off the little hair jake that dude tied just popped off. That guy right there.
Like if you're about 30 feet, you're like, okay, the fish got to be within 30 feet.
Really?
So just like it's either shadow.
Oh, whoa!
Dude,
You saw that? You saw that? Bro,
yeah.
that was cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I had a couple of those. They'll hit, boom, and they
Got him.
there you go. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
You
That's big one.
You
Yep.
got that on camera?
I think so.
Alright.
Yep, I got it on camera.
Nice.
It is pretty, I gotta admit, it is pretty small.
That's
But
cool,
should we keep it?
Right, you threw it right back in.
Alright.
Yeah.
It's not big enough. Alright.
Yeah.
Big enough, not big enough. That one's just perfect, but we're gonna let it go.
I know.
Okay, that's a big and crappie, dude. Oh,
Yeah, there you go.
yeah. Oh my gosh.
Waiting.
Dude, that's big, dude. Whoa.
Dig in there.
What the heck?
Dig in there.
Get away from this wall.
Hold you the wall, man.
What? Guys, this is amazing. I didn't get the hooks out on the video, but it's okay. We landed. This is good, yeah. Under here, Jake. Wow, dude, like Bass Pro Shop is in my hand. That's crazy. All right, we're gonna shoot a little DSLR picture, and then we're gonna. You guys want to keep these, or you want to let it go?
Yeah, we'll let it go.
Okay, all right, I'll probably just let them go, because you said there's bigger ones, right? Yeah. All right. I wasn't recording, but check this guy out. That is a big crappie. To me, it's a big crappie. Wow. Amazing. Like, this is the biggest crappie I've ever caught, ever. I don't know, but there's bigger ones, so we're not gonna waste time. Throw them back in the water and look for that trophy. There you go, guys. Big crappie going in the water. Woo! Nice, dude. Whoa, right on a drop. That was cool, dude. What the heck? As soon as they dropped. Oh my god, it's a big one too. Oh! Stay down, stay down.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, dude, why are you so fat, bro? Oh my gosh. You know it's a good jig, and they still eat when they're like that. How do you say no? Catch and release, guys. Wow. On the drop, right by the tree. It's insane, dude. I really miss my ultralight rod now. Watch. Like right on this little crack right here, dude. Oh, dude, this stag, dude. Oh my god. They fight so hard. Look at this. They fight so hard. This is a little guy. Still, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they're so dark. Beautiful. These are black crappies, right? Dude, Fang made a great call. These fish are just stacked back here. Good fish. That was more than I can ask for. That was enough. Like, that was good.
There you go.
Jeez! You saw that?
Yeah.
It is so hard. It didn't have that big.
That guy's tiny.
Dude, they're so fat.
I'd be eating up on shad right now, man.
Yeah, dude. Did you gut the ones that we had in there?
No,
Did you got them?
I should. Then
They're so fat, dude. Oh my gosh. Thanks. I never underestimate.
There you go.
That's a big fish. That's a big fish, bro. I think it's a big fish. Oh my gosh.
Look at that slab, dude.
It's a slab, dude.
White bass?
Oh no, no, it's a crappie. It's a slab, though. It's a slab. Oh, dude, I can't lift him. I can't lift him, bro. I can't lift him.
Reach in, man.
Right. Oh shit! Screw it, screw it. We good, we good.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, dude.
I'm gonna hit that angle.
Bro, what the? Is this real? Dude, I am dreaming right now.
I don't want to
Guys.
because I was like, dude, I know there's something right
Oh
there.
my gosh.
I think a little bit bigger.
Really?
Cause that got maybe like what, 14?
This is. Oh my gosh. Look at me. I'm like. Oh gosh,
That was
dude.
nice, dude.
Guys.
That was real nice.
Oh my god, I'm shaking, dude.
That's nice, dude.
There we go. That's another big one, dude. Oh my gosh. That's another big one, dude. They're all big ones here. Look, dude, this one's probably even bigger. Oh my gosh. Bro, how do I land this thing? Dude, this one's even bigger, dude. I'm shaking. I think it's bigger. Bassmaster Classic, psych. Ah.
Yeah, look, there you go.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy, dude. Dude, look how he ate that thing. Look, I'm gonna hold this up for you guys. Gone. That's insane, dude. There you go. You got one?
Yep.
Yeah. Whoa, let's go. Boy's on. Yep. That's a big one, dude.
That's tiny.
Yeah. Fight hard. Dang, as soon as it dropped, eh?
Yeah, drop. Yep. Little bit.
What's the limit here?
25. There you go.
Dang, this guy feels good.
Right there, man.
This guy feels good.
Yeah.
Little guy. Gotta keep him quiet so he doesn't. Yeah, it's good, dude.
After the other one though?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah, these are okay. Now I believe you guys. These are okay. We're just laying the jig.
Yeah, they're right there.
Yeah, we're just laying the jig. You can like shoot the fish too. It's running right by you. Right there, bro. Look at that.
Nice.
These are all good eaters. Like, you could just pan fry the whole thing. But look at that trophy.
Oh, there you go.
That's a nice one. You on too? We'll double up.
Oh, shoot. Oh, no, they got stuck.
Oh, this guy's big, dude. Oh, God. Oh, gosh.
Oh, dang.
Oh, this guy's going to live well. Dude, this one's going to live well, dude. Oh, my gosh. Check this out, guys.
That's a good one right there.
They're so fat. Oh, my goodness. And look how he ate that thing. This is what we're using. A hand-tied jigs from, what's his name again?
Keith.
Key. Yeah. Dude, oh my gosh.
That's a nice one too.
And like, they're not hitting it like what we normally catch in Wisconsin. They're smacking it, like just straight up devouring. We're using 4-pound test, 8-pound braid. That jig right there. Monstrous, guys. Monstrous.
That's a nice
Look at that. Bigger than my... I can't even like... It's crazy. We're gonna throw in a live well pictures later.
Dog, this little bathroom don't work.
Oh yeah, that color's good, dude. Yeah, you spanked like 3 or 4 in a row.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
There you go.
There you go.
That one?
Holy drag. Nice.
Nice.
That's a big one. Then we get the fish out there? Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Oh, it's fast. Yeah, it's fast. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. Why are you so fat? Guys. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's still there, man. Oh my goodness. Look at that. They're so heavy.
That's a good one right there too.
Guys. Amazing.
You gotta start calling their big ones.
Amazing, dude. Yeah.
Look, man. It's pretty soft. Look, that's pretty big.
Oh yeah, that's big too. He's long. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at this guy.
Whoa.
Look at this. Told you they get bigger.
Dude, his mouth is huge. I have to keep him. I just want like a thumbnail.
Look at that. It's nice.
Boom, boom.
Take it,
I'm on.
Got one?
Yep.
Nice.
It's a nice one too. Oh, no, no.
You know, I start looking at those like, okay, these are good.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah. Now I know what you guys mean.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, these are still really good for Wisconsin, man. These are.
This gotta be their spawning ground, dude.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, jeez.
Do it, man. We're gonna bring a couple of this back.
Yeah. That's a nice one. That's a nice one, dude. I think everything feels nice, man. Nope, no, guys. They just fight so hard. This guy's a male. Yeah?
Yep.
Dude. This is amazing. Oh, he wrapped you. Oh, he wrapped you.
Oh, he did.
He's out. He's out.
He's out. He's out.
He's running like a bass. Big it, man. Oh, there we go. They just play so hard.
They do. Oh, damn, dude. This guy won.
And look how they eat it, too. Wow.
Way in there.
Way in there.
Look at that.
Good, different one. Alright, guys, so we are calling it for today. I had an amazing time with Thing and camera guy. I've never done it before, so excuse my excitement. That was awesome, dude. Yeah. That was so cool. That was just a world-class crappie fishing for me. And now I understand why. Yeah, now I understand. So we're gonna show you guys what they look like. We're gonna release them. We're gonna catch a picture, and then we're gonna release them. So hold on. Look at this.
There we go.
World-class crappies, dude. It's huge. Alright, so we're just gonna hold them up. Wow, guys, check that out. Amazing.
Yep.
Let's get a shot and then we're gonna let them go. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do the release here. Beautiful crappie. Look at that. Amazing. So I'm just gonna toss them back in there. They should be okay. Oh. He's ready to go. Yeah. He's ready to go. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Release on there. Okay, I'm gonna go. Good?
Yeah.
It's gone. Wow, dude.
That was
Seriously,
awesome, man. It's good, man.
That was awesome. I had a great time. So, what are we gonna do now?
So we finished fishing and wrapping up this the crappie fishing for the evening. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go set up camp and we're gonna do some night fishing. So catch you guys then.
So stay tuned. It's gonna be the next video. Awesome. See you guys at night. All right, let's see. They're still here.
You a light bait fisherman?
Yeah, do whatever. Yeah. That's a nice fish. Oh my gosh, it's a big crappie. Oh my god, dude. Oh, he's huge. Bro. Oh, dude, he's huge. It's a big one.
There you go.
Ah!
Yeah.
Ah!
Dude,
Oh, by the tree stamp.
Man, now that is a
By the tree stump, dude. Oh my
That's
gosh.
what we're talking about right there.
Bro, what's going on? This is it right here, huh?
Nice.
Oh my gosh, dude, that's amazing. Oh my god, I'm freaking shaking, dude. I'm shaking, my bad. Woo! Guys, PB crappie right here. Oh my gosh. Maybe I might mount it. Who knows? Unbelievable fish. Seriously, I cannot thank these guys enough. Wow. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was unbelievable. I'm just in awe right now. Like, I'm just trying to soak all that in because that crappie was big. And they're telling me that that's actually like a good size to keep. So I don't feel too bad. It's 16 inch. They're telling me that just 19s and 20s out here. Like 3-pounders. So anything bigger than that, let's go back inside. I'm gonna close it here. I know I said that we were gonna close it out there. Close it here. We're gonna set up. We're gonna camp out here. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tonight. Stay tuned.